Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be discussing what is even inside a writer's brain. Like, what is inside? Let's get started. Okay, here I have this little mind map, and we're gonna discuss yellow right here. So now mostly writers always think of a lot of creativity, like ideas. So in a writer's brain, there's always space for like reality, creativity. Okay. There's creativity and inspiration there. I have 5 points here. And now the next one I'm going to discuss is maybe a writer has a lot of ideas, but it also needs some collaboration. You talk with other people, have other people to think of if your idea is good, if you could change it. Other people will think, okay, this story is good. So I'm gonna put right there, collaboration. And there's collaboration and discussion in something. That's what makes a piece of writing so good. Now, I'm gonna move on to another point. What is inside a writer's brain? Normally, I have to read. Writer always reads books, Like, if you read, that means your writing's getting better because you write better from examples. So, I'm just going to fill it in. Read. Read every day. You have to read every day to gain all the information and gain inspiration. It's not plagiarism. It's using other people's ideas and putting them to your own. So, it's not copying. Okay, so now I have to think about this. There's so much in a writer's brain. The aftermath. A writer always thinks about the aftermath of if they publish a book or something. Aftermath. You have to always think about the aftermath. Like, after you publish this book, what's the moral of it? What do people learn from it? Like, why do you read Harry Potter? Is it entertaining? Is it joyful? Does it bring you joy? Or do you watch the movie and it looks good, so you want to read the book? Or is there a lot of pictures in there and you want to read it? So you really have to think about the process, So, I'm going to add one thing. Do I need to illustrate? Do I need an illustrator? Sometimes an illustrator matters. It bolds your story and lets people want to read more of it. So an illustrator is something to consider, Yes. Now, that's right. Now we're gonna. Usually, these points are really important in a writer's mind. Okay? Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you learned something. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And like this video. I'll see you guys next time.